Hello everyone, welcome to this quick walkthrough of link building order section on Rank Rover. Whether you have just placed your first order or you're wondering what all those different tabs mean, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what happens to your order at every stage, how long each step takes, and what to do if you need to make a change. Let's dive in. When you land on link building orders page, you will see these tabs across the top: new, approved, processing, in review, delayed, completed, rejected, and all. Each tab represents a stage in your order's journey. Think of it like a live tracker. Wherever your order sits right now, that's the tab it will appear under. And as your order progresses, it will automatically move forward. You don't need to do anything to push it along. The All tab is just a combined view if you ever want to see every order in one place. So let me walk you through what actually happens from the moment you click place order. There are 5 main stages and I'll cover each one. Stage 1, new. The moment your order goes through, it lands here in the new tab. The system logs it and review process begins automatically. During this time, you don't need to do anything, just sit tight. If for some reason the system doesn't act on your order within the 3 working day window, which is extremely rare, the system will auto reject it and issue you a full refund. Stage 2, approve and processing. Once the order is approved, it automatically moves into processing within the hour, no manual step required. Now this is where the real work begins. The publisher receives the order detail and processes the placement. This phase takes up to 3 working days. Stage 3, delayed. Now occasionally a link building order takes a little longer than expected. If the publisher is still working on it past the 3-day processing window, it will automatically move to delayed tab. And this isn't a bad sign. It just means we have been given 2-day buffer to wrap things up. Process continues as before. If it's not completed within the buffer, the system will auto reject and refund you. But in most cases, this buffer is enough to get it done. Stage 4, in review. This is an exciting stage. It means your live link is ready and your order moves to in review tab, and now it's your turn. You will get an email notification letting you know to review your order. You have 3 working days to check the link and decide what you would like to do. Option A is to accept. If everything looks great, accept the order, it moves straight to completed tab. Option B is to request a change if you would like something adjusted. Email our support team with your order ID and specific changes you need. The publisher will be notified and review your request. So here's the important thing: if you don't respond within 3 working days, the order will automatically mark itself as completed. No further changes can be made after that point, so make sure to review it in time. The email reminder will also spell this out for you. Stage 5, completed or rejected. Completed means your order is successfully fulfilled, the link is live, reviewed and done. That's a great news. Rejected means the order couldn't be fulfilled, whether that was due to the timeout at new stage, processing stage or delayed stage. In every rejection scenario, a full refund is automatically initiated, so no need to reach out for that. Now that you know exactly how every stage works, there's one more thing that's really useful if you have multiple orders running. You can search right here above the tabs. At the top of the orders page, right above the tabs, you will see a search bar where you can search by these 3 things: order ID, website and project. Just start typing and the list will instantly filter down to matching order. No need to scroll through everything. It's super handy if you have lot of orders active. You can also use the filter by project drop down next to the search bar if you want to view all orders under a specific project at once. Now let's talk about what you actually see when you look at your orders. Each row in the table gives you a snapshot of an order. You can expand any row to see full details. To see more about a specific order, click on the arrow on the left side of that row. This expands the order and shows you the full breakdown. Now if you have any other question, check out our support and FAQ section in the sidebar or reach out to our team directly. And thanks for being a Rank Rover customer. We are excited to build some great links for you.